CHBS classrooms were built to help students learn. We are currently in HBS G10, and as you can see, this lecture hall has a tiered structure to it. This allows students to get a better view of the professor. Classrooms like this are mainly used for general education classes or classes ranging from about 60 to 150 students. Even if you don't choose a CHBS major, there's still a good chance you'll have a general education course like Kinesiology 100, Psychology 101, or Health 100 in spaces like this. I've even had a history class and a sociology class in here, and I also work on the third floor as a student assistant. This classroom is used by upper-level students in our Health Services Administration program. These classes might have 30 to 40 students and feature furniture that can be moved around to better suit lessons that change from day to day. Our classrooms are equipped with the latest technology to help students successfully attend class.